Hello guys, I am Himanshu Sharma. In this video, I shall be talking about strategies, exam pattern related to Elevate Wings 1 Tech T4 track. Before I proceed, I shall give you a small introduction about myself. I joined TCS Digital in year 2020 and I have already cleared this T4 track. So whatever I shall be sharing, it is based on my personal experience. So make sure to listen to it very carefully guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you really like the content, please like this video. Now let's get started. In this video, we shall be discussing about the syllabus as per TCS, and I will be telling you what are the topics that you can skip because the syllabus is really vast for this T4 track guys. And I will also tell you what are the topics to study in detail for the MCQ and hands-on exam, and I will also discuss the hands-on exam pattern if time permits. Let's move to the next slide. Here we can see syllabus as per TCS. We have JSON, RESTful Web Services, TCP/IP routing, APIification, developing application either in Springboot or Python Flask, and further we have microservices and its architecture. If your only motive is to clear MCQ and hands-on exam, then you can skip whatever I am showing you on this screen and you can refer to further slides where I will be telling you in detail what to study and what to not. But still I would recommend you to have a look on all of these topics because this will really be helpful to boost your IT career guys. Here in the round 1 of Tech T4 track, you will be having MCQ exam of 1 hour where you will be having 40 MCQ questions. You need to focus only on Springboot topic or Flask topics if you are from Python background. You can skip all these topics which I have shown you and focus on the part 4 which is developing application Springboot related topics. In this slide I am sharing the topics from where maximum questions are going to be asked. Topics like scheduled annotation, cron expressions, synchronous and asynchronous communication, Spring security and its key annotations like enable web security, enable method security, Spring course means cross origin resource sharing, and we also had questions from annotations like qualifier, primary annotations. Guys, maximum 70 to 80% questions will come from these topics whatever I have told you just now. Focus on these topics very well. I will be discussing the hands-on in a separate video. In case if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section or you can contact me on my Insta ID that is given in the slide. Thank you very much guys. Have a good day.